Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Matrix and I'm back with another video. And I have 6 cans, as you can see, of this, and a 6 chamber, bullet chamber, and strong-arm NERF gun. Let's test it out. Sorry, guys. My phone fell. This is very interesting. So yeah, guys. Strong 6 cans. Let's do this. Okay, redo that. So yeah, guys, actually got 2 cans down. It's really sad. And guys, just saying, I don't play with NERF guns very much. So I always bring them to my dad's and they get broken. And I got one myself, as you can see here. I also bought a basketball. Test 2. Test 2. Same as last time. Yep. Oh, the other camera's right here. Just saying, I do not drink energy drinks. I sometimes do. So yeah, guys, I think there's gonna be 5 tests. This is test 1 of the pyramid. Let's try it. And let's see how many bullets it takes to knock down every one of them. See ya. So yeah, guys. Two shots. That's right. But it only took me 2 shots. Oh my god, guys. Somebody just came out their door. And they're like, looked out. It's like, what made that noise? He was like, oh yeah, somebody was like, oh my god. But yeah, guys, let's set this up. Since I only did 2 shots to knock them all down, I'll do a different one. Peace. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna call this the house of Bob Kings. So yeah, guys, I changed it, and this is now the castle. Bang, bang. Okay. Oh my god, guys. That's so bad. Oh my god, guys. I can't believe it. I didn't knock down all of them. Let's start it up again. So yeah, guys. I am trying it again. So yeah, guys. I think this is number 4, so if I don't knock down this one successfully, I'm gonna try. guys, that time, the first shot was horrible. And I did it like this. And the second and third shot, I did it like this. Boom, gangster, yo. Gangster, yo. Yeah, guys. Oh my god, what? Landed like this on the ground. Yeah, whatever. Clean it up. I went totally beast mode. But yeah, guys. I went totally beast mode on that. Like seriously. My mom called my actual name. Boom. But yeah, guys. Peace. But not actually. Not right now. But guys, get this video to 5 likes. No. But yeah, guys. If you want me to do another video like this, let's get it to 5 likes. 5. No, it's not that much, but I don't know. But yeah, guys, if you want me to do something like this, or like trick shots or something, tell me in the comments below. What do you want me to do? More challenges, more bottle flipping, more Nerf guns, or I should do basketball trick shots. Because I have a basketball. Boom, boom. Basketball. Brand new bought today. But yeah, guys. Tell me in the comments below what I should do next. Or just like do it in 5 minutes. So yeah, guys. Peace. Bye.